Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best salad spinners that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Smile Mom Salad Spinner. We were impressed with how quickly and efficiently this spinner dried our greens. The one-handed press handle and quick brake button make it easy to operate, and the transparent bowl and basket are a nice touch. Plus, the silicone non-slip ring at the bottom kept the spinner steady on our countertop. The Smile Mom Salad Spinner is not just a salad spinner, but also a dryer, drainer, crisper, filter, and saver, all in one device. Its versatile design makes it a great addition to any kitchen, and it comes in an exquisite packaging, making it a perfect choice for a gift. Overall, if you're in need of a large-capacity salad spinner that's easy to use and efficient, we highly recommend the Smile Mom Salad Spinner. Moving on at number 4, we have the Joined Salad Spinner. We've been using the Joined Salad Spinner for a few weeks now, and overall we've been impressed with its functionality and convenience. The 3-in-1 design is a great feature, allowing us to use the clear base as a mixing bowl or serving dish, and the basket as a colander or washing basket for other produce. The built-in drainage system is also a nice touch, making it easy to wash and dry our greens without having to remove the lid. One thing to note is that the size of the salad spinner may be a bit large for some users, and may take up more space in your kitchen than you'd like. Additionally, the plastic material may not be as durable as some other options on the market, so it may wear down over time with frequent use. Finally, the handle may require some force to turn, especially when spinning larger batches of produce. Overall, if you're looking for a versatile and convenient salad spinner that can also be used for other kitchen tasks, the Joined Salad Spinner is definitely worth considering. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart Large Salad Spinner. We found that the Cuisinart Large Salad Spinner is a user-friendly and versatile option for washing and spinning drying salad greens, fruits, and vegetables. The spin knob is easy to use and allows for quick and efficient spinning action, while the non-skid base keeps the bowl stable during operation. The clear base doubles as a serving bowl, making it a great tool for preparing and serving salads. However, we did notice that the spinner may not be as durable as some other options on the market. Additionally, the 5-quart capacity may be too large for smaller kitchens or for those who only need to prepare small batches of salad. Finally, the locking mechanism may be difficult to use for some users. Overall, we recommend the Cuisinart Large Salad Spinner for those who are looking for a user-friendly and versatile option for washing and spinning drying salad greens, fruits, and vegetables. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart Salad Spinner. We found that the Cuisinart Salad Spinner was quick and convenient to use. The spin knob was easy to turn, and we appreciated being able to add and drain water without having to remove the lid. The clear base was a nice touch, as it allowed us to serve our salad directly from the spinner. However, we did find that the 3-quart capacity was a bit limiting for larger salads. Additionally, we had some difficulty with the locking mechanism, which didn't always seem to click into place securely. We also noted that the plastic construction wasn't as sturdy as some other salad spinners we've used in the past. Overall, we think the Cuisinart Salad Spinner is a solid choice for those in need of a basic, reliable salad spinner. And finally at number 1, we have the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. We recently had the chance to try out the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner, and we were impressed with how easy it was to use. The pump mechanism and brake button make it simple to operate with just one hand, and the non-slip knob and ring keep the bowl steady on the countertop. The clear bowl is also a nice touch, as it allows you to see how much water is being removed from your greens. One of the standout features of this salad spinner is that the basket doubles as a colander, so you can use it to rinse your greens before spinning them dry. The lid also comes apart for easy cleaning, which is a nice touch. However, we did notice that the spinner may wobble a bit while in use, so you may need to hold it steady to prevent it from moving around too much. Another thing to keep in mind is that the size of the spinner may be too large for some kitchens. If you don't have a lot of storage space, you may want to consider a smaller model. Additionally, the price of the OXO Good Grips large salad spinner may be a bit higher than other salad spinners on the market, so it may not be the best choice if you're on a tight budget. Overall, if you're looking for a salad spinner that's easy to use and will get your greens dry quickly, the OXO Good Grips large salad spinner is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.